guy. He was literally maintaining 170, 180 even in the corners. Hell. What the hell? What the hell?
Yeah. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
Oh boy. I was expecting a huge pothole, but nothing. Damn, that mountain looks amazing. Turn on the defogger and look what's happening. Oh, damn, the defogger worked brilliantly. What the hell is wrong with that guy? Damn, that Innova. Where the hell is that Innova? Oh, he's over there. What the hell is wrong with that guy? Oh. I think we have to take right over here. Straight is Puttur and right is Tirupati. Tirupati is around 35 kilometers away from here. Nice. And this, my windshield again started fogging up. Again I need to turn on the heater. So I have stopped here at this family dhaba for a quick break. It's 7:10 in the night and I'm still going to my home. Currently I'm in Tirupati and my home is around 300 kilometers away from here. Damn, did you see that? So my GoPro memory got full and even the battery went down, so I had to take a stop. I wanted to tell this to you guys in my previous video, but I totally forgot. So in Chennai, I went for a drive to ECR road actually. So there I was just normally cruising with my friend at 60s, 70s within the speed limits, but all of a sudden from nowhere a Honda Jazz, guys, a Honda Jazz overtook me at 150 to 160 km per hour. I seriously got shocked for a moment. I thought some Lamborghini or something went, but no, that was a Honda Jazz. Honda logo was repainted to red color Honda logo, and that car had some weird, different kind of wrap, man. Half the car was wrapped. So I was like, what the hell did just pass me? And then I tried my best to catch that guy, man. I was only tailgating that guy. I was not able to overtake that guy. He was literally maintaining 170, 180 even in the corners. There is no way stock Jazz go that fast. I was giving full throttle, but still he was pulling like anything. Oh damn. Forget the power. Power doesn't matter. That driver was not a human. Two guys were sitting inside, and I did not take my GoPro that time. I did not take my GoPro out that time because I went for a casual drive with my friends, so I did not want to involve GoPro and all. So I just tried catching it, that's all. We did not even had a proper race. I just wanted to catch that guy. Near Mahabalipuram, we got a speed ticket. That camera, I saw that camera flashing at that guy and at me, but still that guy didn't slow down. Even I didn't slow down. So finally after like 10-15 kilometers, I overtook that guy, man. I overtook that guy, and then forget the stage tuning and all, forget the pull. Just imagine a Honda Jazz cornering at 180 km per hour, 160 to 180. he did not even apply brakes while cornering at 160 180. My foot was on the brake. I was ready to brake anytime if anything goes wrong, but that guy was going nuts. I don't know, they were stock tires only. There is no modification in tires also. Oh damn, he went crazy that day. So that is the story. I really missed my GoPro, man. I wanted to share that moment with you guys, but I was continuously regretting that time. But as well as I was enjoying the journey, hats off to the Honda Jazz driver, man. Roads were completely empty. There was nobody to disturb. Okay. Cool down, bro. Cool down. Looking at these thunders, I feel it's gonna rain like next level after 15-20 minutes or after 5-10 kilometers. If I use low beam, people are trying to dominate me, man. If I'm going on low beam, everybody is coming on my lane. If I'm on high beam, everybody is staying in their lane. So that is the reason I always use high beam. And even if I use low beam, everybody is on high beam, obviously. See, for now I'm using low beam. This guy is on high beam, and I can't see shit now. And I have to turn high beam on wantedly. See. Stupid fuckers. Even the guys with projector headlights like Harrier and all, even they are on high beam. I don't think projector lights need high beam because they will spread very nicely on the road. These halogen lights only, they don't spread properly on the road. That is why every halogen user uses high beam and projector people uses low beam. Even the projector people are using high beam, then I can't do anything, man. I have to use high beam only. This part of the road is wet and this part of the road is dry, which means the oncoming vehicles are wet, which means it's going to rain like hell in next 10 minutes, and when it starts raining I'll get back. Damn, what the hell is wrong with these guys? Right now it's not raining, but it rained here already. Some 4 or 5 years ago, when I was a newbie driver, I used to follow people on the road in the nights, but nowadays people are following me. It's good to see that, man. I am maintaining my speeds and a new guy is following me. I think he's a newbie driver. He's so far. Feels good, man. I'm not going too fast also. I'm taking that guy with me. So I'm still in the ghats and I turned my heater on. It's full hot now and I'm kind of sweating inside. And the temperature outside is too low. It's around 23 degrees. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? So currently I am in Kadapa, guys. I am not entering Kadapa. I am going via outskirts of the... I took the outer ring road and going towards Kurnool. So from Tirupati to here, the road was horrible, man. That was one damn experience. Horrible. From here the toll road starts. I don't have to worry about anything. So I'm planning to take a quick tea break before starting on this highway. Damn, why the hell they make these kind of roads before the toll? Stopping here for a tea break. The hotel and all looks nice. As you guys can see, the car has become really dirty. Damn. The headlights have become really dirty. The projection is less. I need to clean it with a cloth, man. There is nothing much to show over here, guys. If I find something interesting, I'll get back. Otherwise, I'll simply end the vlog after reaching home. And yep. So it's 12:10 in the night, guys, and I have finally reached my hometown. My home is around 5 kilometers away from here. Damn, I'm fully tired and exhausted. Whew. Tire noise is the best. When it rains, I roll down the window just to hear the tire noise. Yesterday at 2 o'clock, I was roaming in Chennai city, man. Even it was like this. Empty streets. Finally I'm back to the forest parking. No matter how fast I drive or how slow I drive, the engine temperature is always being the same. So the average I got is 16.6 kilometers per liter, and average speed was 44.6. Total kilometers were 947. Damn, I was expecting 700 or 800. Nice. So that's it, guys. I am back to home and I will go edit the video and try to upload tomorrow morning. Let's see. Bye bye.